Q8753. Fuel pump relief valves designed to compensate for atmospheric pressure variations are known as A. Compensated flow valves. B. Pressurized relief valves. C. Balance-type relief valves. The correct answer is C. Fuel pump relief valves designed to compensate for atmospheric pressure variations are known as balance-type relief valves. These valves are designed to maintain a consistent fuel pressure by adjusting to changes in atmospheric pressure, ensuring proper fuel flow regardless of altitude or environmental conditions. Q8754. Fuel lines are kept away from sources of heat, and sharp bends and steep rises are avoided to reduce the possibility of A. Liquid lock. B. Vapor lock. C. Positive lock. The correct answer is B. Fuel lines are kept away from sources of heat, and sharp bends and steep rises are avoided to reduce the possibility of vapor lock. Vapor lock occurs when the fuel in the lines vaporizes due to excessive heat or low pressure, leading to fuel flow interruptions and engine performance issues. Q8755. Fuel crossfeed systems are used in aircraft to A. Purge the fuel tanks. B. Jettison fuel in an emergency. C. Maintain aircraft stability. The correct answer is C. Fuel crossfeed systems are used in aircraft to maintain aircraft stability. These systems allow fuel to be transferred between different fuel tanks on the aircraft to balance the fuel load and maintain proper aircraft balance and stability during flight. Q8756. If an engine equipped with a float-type carburetor backfires or misses when the throttle is advanced, a likely cause is that the A. Float level is too high. B. Main air bleed is clogged. C. Accelerating pump is not operating properly. The correct answer is C. If an engine equipped with a float-type carburetor backfires or misses when the throttle is advanced, a likely cause is that the accelerating pump is not operating properly. The accelerating pump in a carburetor is responsible for providing an additional fuel supply during throttle advancement, and if it is not functioning correctly, it can result in fuel starvation and engine performance issues. Q8757. A fuel pressure relief valve is required on A. Engine-driven diaphragm-type fuel pumps. B. Engine-driven vane-type fuel pumps. C. Centrifugal fuel boost pumps. The correct answer is B. A fuel pressure relief valve is required on engine-driven vane-type fuel pumps. These relief valves are designed to protect the fuel system from excessive pressure by allowing excess fuel to bypass back to the inlet side of the pump when the pressure exceeds a certain threshold.